Ngisathanda kuthola umbiko la. Kuthiwa i-Orlando Pirates ingenzeka ihoste iSoweto Derby la eThekwini eMoses Mabhida between igame yeKaizer Chiefs and i-Orlando Pirates. Njengoba sazi sonke iSoweto Derby izoba ngoFebruary. I think it's February 1 and i-team ezobe idlala i-home game kuzobe kuyi-Orlando Pirates. I-team edlala away kuzobe kuyi-Kaizer Chiefs. Bisethele ukuthi leyo match leyo idlale e-FNB Stadium. Umntana omuhle Khawula, u-MEC weSports sala KwaZulu Natal, ade khuluma namhlanje. Uthe i-Orlando Pirates i-registered to play ama-games la eThekwini. Same as i-Kaizer Chiefs, but i-Kaizer Chiefs are using the venue to host their games here. In the previous season, sesayibona i-Kaizer Chiefs i-hosta ama-games wayo, ama-home games wayo la kwi-Moses Mabhida Stadium. But i-Orlando Pirates ayigagaze iwa-hosta ama-home games wayo la e-Moses Mabhida Stadium. Orlando Pirates are looking to use the stadium lesi as an alternative home ground, yabo. So hosta khona ama-home games waso. U-MEC uyayiphusha ngempela le initiative le ukuthi iSoweto Derby ihostelwe la eThekwini. Sengakhuluma ngalento before ukuthi ngenzeka ukuthi iSoweto Derby ihostelwe la eThekwini, but engazi ukuthi izowenzeka soon because ade sagcina ukuba neSoweto Derby la eThekwini. I think sigcina ukuba nawo kwakuyi-match ye-Telkom Knockout if I'm not mistaken, mhlambe ngangicorrect lapho kuma-comments, abo 2018 2019 lapho nje. Ngokubona kwenu ngabe umqondo omuhle yini lo ukuthi iSoweto Derby ihostelwe la eMoses Mabhida, because the games between Orlando Pirates and iKaizer Chiefs ama-game amakhulu ngempela lawo and bayayidinga i-capacity enkulu, and ukubona iMoses Mabhida ine-capacity encane yangiwarisha kancane. But njengoba iDurban i-travelling destination, ngaba kuhle ngempela ukuyibona ihostelwa la eThekwini, yabo, because iMoses Mabhida nje isiwahostile ama-matches amakhulu, yabo. Maningi ama-matches amakhulu abajwayele ukuwahosta la kwi-Moses Mabhida. Most finals are played here. Bayakwazi uku-organize i-event enkulu. But ngokwenu ngangitshela lapha ama-comments ukuthi nibona kumqondo o-right yini, yabo. Ngakhohlwa bafethu ngiyatholakala ka-Facebook uVane Sports. uVane Sports ungangithola ka-Facebook, ngikhona futhi naka-YouTube, uyongibheka lapha uthi Vane Sports, uzombona uVane Sports. Ningifollowe lapha, ningisubscribele bafethu, nami ngiyayizamela nje.